Welcome to Kids Creations. Today we are making rainbow cake. Purple, pink, red, yellow, green, blue. We will need a rolling pin, spatula and knife. Prepare a clean space for your colors. Roll out each color of Play-Doh. Until the Play-Doh looks something like this. Grab a plastic cup if you don't have a cookie cutter handy. Your dough will look like this, the first layer of our rainbow cake. Wow, it's perfect! Yeah! Let's make the next layer. Place the second layer, the pink layer, on top of the purple one gently. Let's speed it up. Wow, that was quick. Next layer. Wow, green looks great. It's starting to look amazing. Let's make the rose petals for decoration for the rainbow cake. Start by rolling out some purple Play-Doh just like for the cake layers. Then when your Play-Doh looks something like this, use a small cookie cutter to cut small circles, about 4. This is what we will use to make cute roses. Go ahead and stack your circles in a row like this.
Wow!
Slowly start folding the circles onto each other like this. Cut them in half to make 2 roses. Then peel the outer layers out a little bit to make it look more like a rose. Now do the same for the rest of the colors, making about 4 roses per color. Once you have completed the folding of all the roses and your roses look something like this, then you are ready to start decorating. Wow! Add each rose in order of the colors. Carefully place each rose on top of the rainbow cake. If this part is too tricky for you, then ask your parent for some help. It's coming together nicely. This is what the final product looks like. Let's cut this beautiful rainbow cake. Isn't our rainbow cake spectacular? We did such a good job on this one. Want to know what the rainbow cake looks like without icing? Here we go! Wow, so yummy! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.